Welcome to this tutorial on working with placeholders. Placeholders are a great way to change and update the inputs used in graphics and virtual scenes, such as the virtual video wall. Think of them like media playlists. You can have up to 8 placeholders. Each placeholder can store different production assets such as videos, images, and NDI or live inputs. In this virtual set, we are using 3 placeholders. To know which placeholders' numbers are linked to the window, we can press the Show Placeholder Number button here. Once we know the numbers, it is just a simple click or double-click operation to apply an input in it. Let's know more about the placeholder dock. This is the 8 placeholder list. And tabs are named as PH1 to 8, and each tab is handling its own playlist. By default, you can see 3 placeholder docks. Switch between playlists by clicking on the placeholder number or on the PH tabs at the bottom of the relevant dock. Any placeholder not currently used in the tab gets docked automatically to the selected window when its number is clicked. Now let's learn how you can use all these features and more in your virtual production. Click on the hamburger menu and select New to create a new playlist and give it a desired name. The playlist, once created and saved, can be opened in any placeholder. So don't worry if you are not on the desired placeholder tab. In this tutorial, we are using second placeholder, which is applied on the virtual video wall. You can use any placeholder as preferred. If you already have an existing placeholder list, you can open that as well by filtering the name from the list. Once the playlist is created, you can start adding your production assets, such as textures, videos, or select the relevant live and NDI inputs and more. To add a video, simply click on the Browse button. Select the video from your drive. You can trim the video timeline using in and out points using the video controls before adding to the playlist. And set a thumbnail of the video to be shown in the playlist, but setting the head to the relevant frame, and click on the Set Thumbnail button. You can easily drag and drop images and videos directly from your drive into your placeholder list. It is a quick and convenient way to add content to your virtual productions. Once you add assets to the empty slide, a blank slide gets added automatically. You can create multiple slides in this way. You can also access media control buttons from the playlist, allowing you to fine-tune and customize your content as needed. Double-click on a slide to activate the respective media in the virtual video wall. Now move further and work with NDI and Live. To select an NDI source, go to the Source Switch panel. Press the NDI. And you will see all the configured NDI list. Select it from the drop-down list and click OK. You can add up to 8 NDI sources. To take a live, go to Same panel and press the Live button and click OK. If you need to delete a slide, just select the slide and press the Delete button from your keyboard. Should there be a need to delete all the items from your playlist, use the Clear button in the hamburger menu of the respective placeholder. Till now, we have learned the placeholder playlist management in the dock windows. Let's move to the Engine tab and learn to switch the placeholder inputs on air. Click once on the placeholder to set it in the preview window. When you're prepared to transition it to the program window using a wipe effect, navigate to the Wipes menu, choose the wipe, adjust the blur and duration settings. By double-clicking on Luma, the placeholder will seamlessly transition to the program window with the selected wipe effect applied. Alternatively, you can choose Luma and then press the Take button for the same transition. For added convenience, you have the choice of relevant buttons, such as Fade or Cut, to immediately switch to that transition method. With these tools and features, you will be able to create professional and engaging virtual productions with ease.